Years ago, I was in a motorcycle accident and destroyed my knee, and it had to be rebuilt. And they put me on one of those cold therapy devices where there was ice in this bucket kind of thing, and it just circulated around a pad that was wrapped around my knee. And that was something I had to rent, and I'll tell you, it was ridiculously expensive. And since then, I've been noticing that machine, variations of it on the market. And I thought, wow, you could actually buy one and not have to rent one. And that's where this comes in. Hi, my name is Diana, and I was sent this cold therapy system in return for this video. And I'm super excited to have it because my accident was a couple decades ago. They said I'd probably only get a couple decades out of my knee. And I'm starting to have some aches and things like that, and it's getting a little inflamed. So this just arrived in the perfect time. So I'm going to go over the features, and then you could decide if this would be good for you as well. This is really for anyone who deals with sore joints, post-surgery swelling, or just those everyday aches that sneak up after gardening or a long walk. If you've ever iced your shoulder with a dripping towel and a melting ice pack, this is a much cleaner, more comfortable way to do it. What I love is how it combines cold therapy with compression. That means it doesn't just sit there, it gently squeezes and cools at the same time, which feels amazing and helps reduce swelling faster. You can actually feel the difference after just one session. You can control the timer settings, 15, 30, or 60 minutes and 3 flow rates from low to high. Setup is super simple. You fill the reservoir with ice and water. The universal compression pad features 3 adjustable elastic straps with Velcro closures, allowing it to comfortably contour to the knees, shoulders, ankles, hips, or legs. It is so quiet, you can use this while you nap. It starts circulating cold water through the wrap while gently compressing. I really like this setup. It works great, it's comfortable, and then it has some additions I've never seen before. Like it has this removable liner, and this is twofold because this isn't wet, but it's very super cold. This just adds a little layer of protection between your skin and this. And then you can take this off and wash it because it's had direct contact with your skin. So it keeps everything clean. But it comes off really easy because everything is Velcroed on here. You just snap it off and wash it. And you get all the straps you need. You get 3 of these straps, different sizes to wrap this, whether it be your shoulder, your elbow, your knee, your foot, whatever. It doesn't matter. This kind of wraps on anything, and there is no right or wrong way to attach it. Just put it on in whatever way is comfortable. So if you're looking for a great cold therapy system, I think this is an awesome one. I like that it collapses. It's not hard, so you can put everything in it and then just put it away, and it's not going to be super bulky. So if you're looking for something like that, definitely check this one out.